Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's talk on gold market. Gold market, as you can see today, has opened with a gap down, but still hasn't quite reached the lows. It's 1180 lows. Also, market hasn't quite reached the 1618 extension of our butterfly pattern. In the short-term perspective, it means that any retracement right here that now is going on, as you can see, small bounce, could be the object for the scalp trading on the short side of the market, because we have the monthly pattern that suggests the taking out of the 1180 lows. That is the monthly grabber that has been formed when the market has reached this area or even a bit lower, it's 114 even area. Well, and it's still working. Current bounce up probably stands due to the reaching of the oversold condition, and hardly it will be significant. And in the short-term perspective, it means that we could take the scalp shorts position, of course, for those who trade in intraday charts and have the skills to trade these scalp trades, scalp setups, and wait when the market will reach this area. That's approximately 1175, 1180. By the reaching of this area, market will accomplish simultaneously some targets. First of all, we see that this ABCD pattern already has been completed, 1190 area. It's big ABCD pattern. If market will drop $10 lower, that will not be the strategy, and this will not mean that market has failed here. Market just has another target slightly below the target of this ABCD, and just could continue to hit these targets and then return right back up. That's a bit advanced moment that DiNapoli discussed in the book when he talked about how to treat the breakout of the levels, when the level should be treated as the broken and when it should not be treated as it has been broken. And there was the example that if market has some ABCD slightly below the fib level and pierce the fib level to reach this target, it's not necessarily means that level has been failed. Here the same situation. The shy move down to complete the target of the butterfly doesn't mean that ABCD has failed. Not necessary. So I will continue. So when the market will hit this area and clear out this level, it will accomplish some other patterns. First of all, it will complete the target of the grabber on the monthly chart. So washing out the 1180s area will mean that grabber has been completed. Second, market will complete this butterfly buy pattern. That target stands slightly lower than these lows. That's very good because this increases the chances that the grabber will work. Finally, this level will be very significant support. As we discussed in our weekly research, that's the daily oversold. That will be also monthly pivot support one and weekly pivot support one. So that will be very solid support area that could lead to some retracement up. You could object and said that we also have the volatility breakout pattern on the monthly chart that suggests the moving even to the 1050 area. Right, that could happen and we do not exclude this possibility, but this pattern doesn't suggest that market should move to the downside without any retracement. It's just as it looks right here. Absolutely necessary. It's not necessary. Market when they hit the stops and grabbing the stops could shift to some profit taking logical retracement. But after that, anything could happen, and we will be watching for. If, as we said in our research, if CFTC data will not change and the market sentiment will not change to the bullish, if we will not see any purchases and growing of the demand on the gold market, we will be looking for deeper targets. And we have discussed these targets in the monthly part of our weekly research. But right now, the two setups. First setup, the scalp setup, suggests the possible taking short at some retracement with the target approximately 1170, 1180 area. I do not know how far, how deep stops could lead market when they will start to work. When the stops start to trigger, they will add sell power to the downward action, and market could slide a bit lower based on these stop orders. But how deep this will be, it's difficult to suggest. But probably this 1170, 1175 will be reached. The market will grab the stops around. Well, that's the first setup. The second setup, we will see what will happen in this area when the stops will be grabbed, and if we will see any reversal patterns or any hint on a possible retracement, that probably will happen. We will try to take the long position and trying to ride on the possible retracement here. If market will plunge here miserably and break this 1180s, that also could happen because we do not know what investors think. There are some rumors was that this really could be the panic sell-off if market will break through the 1180s and 12 even area. That's really could happen, who knows. But if any signs of retracement will appear, market will show washrooms of these lows, return right back up. Well, this will be chance for a possible taking long position on the daily chart. That's our trading plan for the current week. So let's see what market will show us.